Hello, my name is Nicolas Bernastia. I am 50 years old. I am small, I think. My hair is long and black, and my eyes are brown. I like Israel. My family are. My father is working behind my West. And my mother Esperanza are in the house. My sister Ariane and Malena are asleep. My son is Juan Jose. He is 8 years old. I love you. I am nursing assistant and I work for day. In my free time, I listen to music. I usually go early at 4:30 in the morning. I shower and cook breakfast. After 12 and go to work for lunch. The children for the school. In the afternoon, my son and I go to children football training. After the dinner, we do homework between 8, 9, 10 until past the night. And before that, Elaine but go to the sleep. Bye bye.